Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see, upon the screen, we have a whole heap to deal with in that video, people. So it's extremely important to watch to the end so you do not miss a thing. You see, man, say, obviously we want to kick off with Dancehall, King Vybz Kartel, and them two baby mother beefing again. You know, the informer one and, you know, heartbeat. You know what I mean? Shericka and Shorty. You see me I say, because them say Shericka lick back pan Shorty wicked after Shorty, you know, seemingly shaded her. Cause you know, some people be posting some things all over social media and I might caption it like Shorty get jealous and went TikTok live after seeing videos of her baby father with another baby mother. You see me I say, and you already know the history between these two. Cause you know when Shorty was free and Cartel wasn't. Shericka said, you know, homegirl was cheating on you. And I bring man in your yard and all type of things and things. You see what I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So you see, Shorty posts up the picture of her and Cartel in the new house that he bought her in Florida. You see what I say? So when we post this up now, Shericka see it. So this is when Shericka posts up this video. You see in the beginning of my video, no laughing and thing. But if you read the caption, it said let me check you real quick. And she said, this is her answer, you know, me. And, you know, just act clueless. The same as people, you don't know the thing said Vybz Kartel is, you know, a dancer, sex symbol. So, you know, I'm have only a baby mother. And, you know, this be a series I go on right now with that and that, no. But me just giving an update what go on for the go on is, no dancer Queen Spice is seemingly saying Karma reach Foota hype because we know say we did a video with him, you know the face thing, you know him choke and all them shit there, you see ma say. And then Mr. Vegas do it, then other people do reviews. So, you know, the whole world is saying that Foota hype mashup. So Spice is saying a Karma licking. You see ma say.
Eh? God could have loved me some proof to me over and over say him is God. And me get up and miserable and comfortable. My love. You should have think this through properly. Now, if it's back on my wig, my love, a wig. I could take me to take it off. Tight. Wig back tight, man. I have to lift it up, man. Tight. And pull out the part where the comb under yourself. When them sticky comb. Jesus Christ. Understand? When do you pick up my besties, them I see the blue hearts. I love you guys so much.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. A lot of fun don't know Spice used to feed Foota hype, you know. You know what I mean? I know you see him have at this thing for Spice. Listen, man, but speaking about Spice, you know, says she a get a girl, but she's a self-made millionaire and she's quite busy. So when she have time to reason with the besties, them she wanna know what to go on, what to go on. You see, man, say, and the people them was letting her know Rose all active. Got 3 man up in that, you see me. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. 3 brown man. Right? Cause you know, say, I don't like browning and them thing there. So let's hear what going for not to go on and proceed.
Somebody said, Rose. Somebody said Rose have 3 months. And Rose, but me not have no man. They want to tell me, say, me over here single, Rose have 3 months, and that's why I'm single. Okay. And Rose have 2 other man there. Awesome. And never see smoke without fire. Never see smoke without fire. So me there look man and Rose have a man there. Okay. Body see? Wicked and bad. Rose take over TikTok. Yes.
Okay, people. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Big up Dancehall Queen Spice. It's a master. Because real recognize real content like Rosalie. You see me, I say, unlike Miss Kitty, people may find a video of Miss Kitty basically telling Rosalie, you know, she's wrong for not inviting her to her party. This man said, I couldn't believe the things uttering from Miss Kitty's mouth, my people. I swear to honor, right? And she made the excuse that she only cares for the kids. That's why she should be there to go to the parties and overlook the adults, them, you know. But I'm going to play you a 15-second clip that shows that Miss Kitty is an agent for the colonial system to keep up these colonist type of laws. You see, Master, because we all know babies from back in the 80s, all of them things. When you know when your mother plait your head with clips and all of them things, they increase the side of the ear, your head with the baby oil and all of them shit, the Vaseline. Miss Kitty is not a fan of that in school.
So for me, discipline and structure build habits for life. Adhering to school rules, whether about uniforms, grooming, or punctuality. It teaches students self-discipline, and it also teaches them respect for boundaries.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. As I said, people, we know the laws in Jamaica were made by colonists, right? So that's why African children in Jamaica cannot wear their natural hair, curls, you know, like dreadlocks and them things that you see me say. But Caucasian kids can come in with their mohawks, you know, they get the spike hairs and all of them things that you see me say. And it doesn't affect them learning. And we know that doesn't affect people learning, and the clothes sagging and all of these stuff don't affect people learning, right? Freedom of speech, freedom of expression, but black people in Jamaica can't have that. And you have this person right here acting like she cares about the innocent youths. You see me, I said, so let's hear her ball to Rosalie and proceed with the next.
All. But I totally understand. You don't want to muzzle certain people. Kupa unuto. Kupa summer unuto, but you don't want to tell people where to talk, when to talk, and how to talk. And it's so funny. It comes back again. The same opportunities that you want for yourself, you want to deprive and deny others. Freedom of speech. People can't talk, my mind. I can't talk. But you then now want to come and decide who should speak on TikTok, who should speak on Instagram, who should speak where and who should speak there. I'm not one of you. At the first culture I know, we try to shame people about them education. I don't know nobody else in the world does something there. Like it's crazy. What do you mean? But as Mel Robbins said, let them. Let them. But you know, sometimes why it's hard to let them, because when they make these egregious mistakes, it affects society on the whole. And then the innocent people who are sitting on the sidelines, who say nothing and do nothing, they then get affected by it. It's like I think back to slavery sometimes, you know. I said to myself, you know, if one of the slaves them, if Paul Bogle never get up one day and say, you know, say, I'm tired for them people here beat we, rape we, kill we, I'm tired of it. If no slave ever got up and said, you know what, enough is enough, we would still be in cane piece or cut cane. So ask yourself the question, am I too enough or are you too little? I can see where my enoughness has gotten me in life. And it has got me there with my integrity intact, my dignity intact, my womanhood intact, my self-awareness intact. So I like being enough. Some are not enough because you don't have anything at all. You're vacuous. And that is why you can't be. It's not that you don't want to be enough, you know. You can't be enough. because you don't have anything to be enough with or enough about. Because empty carton box can't stand up. Someone who wish you could have been enough. But you can't be enough because you have nothing at all with which to be enough with. You know I'm not frightened easy, no time. But one thing I don't do, or I've learned rather, learned, and again it comes about growing and learning and developing. I don't argue with people who have nothing to lose. And that's a part of growing, you know, developing. You don't argue with people who have nothing to lose or nobody to let down or nobody who expects anything of them anyway. So you let them. You cannot argue with the hungry, the depraved, or the deprived. Don't argue with people who have nothing to lose. Because at the end of the day, they will never have anybody to disappoint. Or argue with people who are desperate. You don't. Because at the end of the day, nobody expected anything of them. As a matter of fact, them all surprised themselves. They're surprised right now. They are surprised. And that's a part of me again, growing and learning. No lies were told. And you have some of you who don't understand and know time and place. It's when you see people out with them family and people in them decent dinner and have them time, and you come with a little wayward, loose argument. Again, I say to you, no one with an absent or underdeveloped prefrontal cortex can never address me at all. Are you crazy? Someone don't have no real family and our friends around, you know. Or not even real to yourself. That's why you can't even protect your kids. You can't protect your children, the vulnerable around you and those who are depending on you. Sometimes many of you just hide behind the screen. And if people were to really click your picture, click into your real life, sad.
Yes, Miss Kitty, you're too enough. The people in the business where you are deal with, you see me? And we really don't care because you say you don't want people, you want them for ban baby hairs and all these things. People, Miss Kitty has been picking on every single ghetto people since the start of her career. You only see the faces on the screen. You know what I mean? You hear the argument with the school uniforms and grooming. You see what I say? So we know that she is not trying to help ghetto people because black people grow differently from Caucasians. And that's the type of line she's working with. You see what I say? What she have against Rosalie, so? And when we put them faces side to side, we know say Rosalie look more beautiful. You see what I say? Have more beautiful features. You see it? But me just today giving a quick update while I go on for that to go on because there's so much more positive stuff Miss Kitty can be dealing with that is negative out here. Because you know you need the opposite. And people, as you can see, the crown still owns all beaches in Jamaica. Since 1956, it's a Master Beach Act. And we heard Miss Kitty said she wants to keep up these type of laws. You know, the groomings and the uniforms. This is my people. Anyway, I'm not going to this no longer. Yes, Master. Bless.